So the American Rocketry Challenge is something that I brought to Andrew's attention last year, and I think is a good goal for students interested in rocketry and engineering to shoot for.
Last year in the Lovett Rocketry Club, since it was our first year, we were just trying to get the hang of things. We were building regular small model rockets and we were launching them, just get the feel of things. And this year we are starting by building model rockets as well, but we're gonna move much faster and start building bigger and bigger rockets as we move along. This year we're also planning to compete in the American Rocketry Challenge, which is going to be our main goal for the year, as it's just a wonderful opportunity for people who are interested in aerospace engineering to actually get involved and get some experience in the subject.
So I just joined this year. I was inspired to join because I have an interest in aerospace engineering, and I feel like engineering, it's a concept that's becoming much more significant, especially in the modern world.
Well, we haven't formally started a process of preparing for the competition yet. I think the challenge is going to be getting people to meetings.
We are currently preparing by first we're building basic rockets to learn how to together a rocket, but there's no doubt in my mind once we start putting together a rocket that it'll be successful because we all have good team dynamics.
It's called challenge for a reason. I think that we will end up having some curveballs thrown at us that we probably don't anticipate right now, never having done this before. Probably useful to find maybe a local school we can talk to see how they have managed it, especially if they've had a program for a while.
If somebody makes a design flaw, we'll be open about it. We'll communicate effectively, both from an engineering perspective and from a social perspective.
I think just keeping the club apprised of, deadlines, making sure that we have worked out a pacing chart or something of that nature that we can agree to and stick to, taking the time to be really thoughtful about what worked and what didn't work and how to improve it. And that's the nature of any engineering.
I think the Rocket Club provides opportunities for students that they wouldn't otherwise have.
Like, it's preparing me for a future career because it shows me how in the future I could possibly implement science and mathematics in order to achieve a practical goal.
You're building things and you're testing things and you're coming out of that with that experience with skills that are transferable beyond just rockets.
Seeing something that you built out of your own mind come to fruition, that's just cool.
Lots and lots of private companies that want to get involved with high school students at this level with these kinds of things because they know that students who are involved with things like this are going to be better employees, more productive and more creative later in life when they're out of school and in the field and employees for a company. So companies invest in this, that they want students doing things like this.